Here are some ways that you can add projects so you can get back to the work that you actually want to do. So you can manually add a project. So if you know you've got to get something done, you're going to click add project. You'll pick a client. You'll do a manual project. That's not what you're going to call it. You're going to call it something, that you're actually working on. You'll choose your project type, which we covered in the last video, where you are setting up your type of project, and you'll hit create. So now here is your manual project. You want to make sure that you've got your project fee type set up. So we've got, you can charge by hour, you can charge a fixed price, you can charge on a recurring basis. So recurring means you get to choose how often you get paid the set amount, and you can choose whether you get paid before or after the work has taken place. You can also do per item. Now, this means that when you create a per item project, that when you have a task added to this per item project, in here, you're going to choose how this is going to be billed. And that's going to be based on your product and service library. So let's say I want to do a recurring. I'm going to do something that is, let's see, we'll do billed by the hour. This will be an hourly rate. I'll just add a quick rate in here. So now this version, everything that I do in this task is going to be charged by the hour. So when I track some time here, let's say I worked on this yesterday for like 3.5 hours. Okay, so now I'll get to see my hourly rate has been honored. When I go to bill, you'll see that this is honored, and you will charge that amount. You can also do, let's say you are just doing this per page, and you could say, I'm going to charge $100 per page, and I'm going to write 5 pages. So now you've got your fees worked out here at like kind of a static amount. Okay, there are your projects and tasks that you have created manually. The other way that you can create a project is by using our assistant. So let's say we want to make a new project, and let's say we need create a project with for for web design work. I don't know why I just suddenly forgot all of the things that we do. And here we're just going to tell this to do your best. So it's going to pick out the, our assistant here, you can see, is trying to write up a really nice project for you. Okay, so we've got the project name. Here's the fee structure and how you're going to get paid for that. Here is the project description. Here are each of the things that are going to get created. So now our assistant is going to use your project type. There are a lot of things for it to create, so it will definitely take a minute. But you can see also here it's added some due dates as well. So here I've got my start date, my due date. I have a fixed price, and here is the amount. Now, even though the assistant created this, of course, I can go in and edit it, and you can see it's also created all of those tasks as well. So you are, of course, more in charge of your business. So when you use the assistant, you can tell it create this project and create these tasks as well. And then you can always go in and edit it. The final way that you can create a project is based off of your agreements. So when you create an agreement, let me show you my really nice one that I'm proud of, that I had designed by the incredible Sez Gower at Whaletail Digital. Here you can see we have added in our service packages. So that's in here. You are in your elements. You have pulled in your service package. That's what this block is. And I have added these packages here. So you can see here's my package name. You can show your project types here that you have set up. I can also choose to add this from a project template. So I could pull in the tasks from any of the templates that I've created. I can also just actually add in something from a template as well. So when someone selects these things, I have my settings created so that I want this to automatically create projects and invoices. So when someone reads my incredible a proposal here. They choose one of these projects, they pay for said project and sign the agreement. Then these projects are automatically going to be created alongside that client. So, no extra work from you. You create this in your agreements, more covered fully in the agreements section. You'll create the agreements, and that will also create the projects for you.